and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you log out your WhatsApp account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application, and after that you will just simply have to tap into these three dots into the top right corner. Just simply tap there and you will get to see this settings option. Tap to settings, and then after going into settings you will get this option of account at very top. Simply select account, and after going into the account section you will get this option of remove account. Just simply tap to remove account, and then you will get this option of remove from this device. You just simply have to check your phone number of the account and tap to remove account. Then after that, it will ask this confirmation dialog box where you have to select remove option. Tap to remove and your account will be logged out. This way, you can very easily log out your WhatsApp account. Thank you for watching this video.